Question 7. 4 numbers have a mean of 10. The median is 8. 2 of the numbers are 1 and 5. Work out the other 2 numbers. So if they have a mean of 10, that means they're going to add up to 4 times 10 equals 40. So they'll add up to 40. The median is 8, so the middle number will be 8. So we've got 1, 5, plus something equals 40. So those 2 numbers are going to have to add up to 34. To get a median of 8, I'm going to have 5 plus something equals 16, because the middle of 5 in this will be 8, so that number's got to be 11. Middle of 5 and 11 is 8, so that's going to be 11. And if that's 11, then this here has got to be 23. So my 2 numbers are 11 and 23. Mira sells ice cream and lollies. The bar chart shows the number she sold on Friday and Saturday. So on Friday she sold 10 ice creams and 7 lollies. On Saturday she sold 15 ice creams and 18 lollies. An ice cream costs £1.20, a lolly costs 80p. How much did Mira make from selling them on Friday? So 10 times 1.2 equals £12, and 7 times 0.8 equals £5.60. So that is £17.60 altogether. Mira sold ice creams and lollies on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Altogether she sold 80. On Sunday she sold 2 more lollies than ice creams. Complete the bar chart. So altogether so far she sold 10 plus 7 plus 15 plus 18. That's 17, 22, 30, 40, 50. So 50 altogether. So she sells 80 minus 30, which is 80 minus 50, which is 30 on Sunday. She sold 2 more lollies than ice cream, so if she sold them evenly, that would be 15, 15, 14, 16. That's 2 more, so that's what I've got to do. So she sold 2 more lollies than ice cream, so that's 16 lollies and 14 ice creams. So now I draw my bar chart. It's got a 5 gap there, so it should 5 gap here. So we should have a 5 gap here. That is going to be 14. And the width of the bars is 5. And this one's going to be 16. And again the width is 5. Colour in the lollies. I'm really sorry about that bar chart. It's very difficult to draw on an iPad, but hopefully you get the general idea. Question 9. Mark went fishing on Saturdays. Number of fish caught, 4163. Time fishing, 2.5 hours. Okay. Mean weight of fish caught, 1.2 kilograms. Work out the mean number of fish caught per hour in week 1. So he fished for 2.5 hours, so it would be 4 divided by 2.5. We've added a number of fish divided by the total time, because it's the number of fish per hour, so it's per hour is divided by time. 4 divided by 2.5 is 1.6. Mark says, one of the fish I caught weighed 5 kgs. In which week did this happen? Give a reason for your answer. Alright, let's have a look. 4. Mean weight of fish caught, 4 fish. So that's 4 times 1.2. That's 4.8 kilograms of fish. 2.3 kilograms of fish. 4.8 kilograms of fish. 5.7 kilograms of fish. So it had to happen in week 4, because in all the other weeks he didn't. The total weight of his fish was less than week 4. This was the only week. The total weight exceeded 5 kgs. Okay, last question. The pie chart shows information about the sales of 800 tickets. There were twice as many adult ticket sales as senior ticket sales. Not drawn accurately. Show that there were 140 senior ticket sales. Alright, so I know there's 800, so if I can work out the angle divided by 360 times 800 will tell me how many senior ticket sales there were. So I can work out what's left over there. So 360 minus 171 gives me 10, 9, 2, 15, 8, 189. 189. Now I know that this is 2 and this is 1, so that's 3 parts altogether. So I'm going to work out 189 divided by 3, which is 63. So there's 63 degrees. Seniors is 63 degrees. So 63 out of 360 times 800 equals 140. Okay, so that means there's 140 senior tickets. Draw a bar chart to represent child, adult and senior tickets. So we've got 140 senior, double that is 280 adult, and then what's left, so 800 minus 420, 380 child. So my axis needs to go up to, say, 400. So how many squares have I got? 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Alright, so that can be 400 at the top there. Can be 0 down there. and then I'm going up in, so that is 100, 200, 300, so I'm going up tens per little square. You don't have to use that scale, but your scale does have to be even. So it's 100 in the gap, and there's 10 squares in each gap. It doesn't matter what your scale is, as long as it's even. Ideally, we use as much of the bar as possible. Okay. Now I've got to draw my bars. This will be a bit of a challenge. So 140 for seniors. $280 for adults. And finally, 380 for children. And label them seniors, adults, children. Okay. That's fine. I've missed a lot of that because of I should have used a ruler. And my gaps, so that gap, that gap, that gap should all be equal. And my bar widths, so that width, that width, that width, should also all be equal. On the side, I should have tickets to label my axis. Okay, I hope you did really well, and thanks for listening.